Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about four lobes of cerebrum. Firstly, we have to discuss what is cerebrum. This is the question. So, guys, think. Cerebrum is the largest part of the human brain. This is the largest part of human brain, involved in intellectual functions such as memory, attention, awareness, thought, language, and consciousness. No need to remember. I will give you the trick how to remember. But think cerebrum. All four lobe function is cerebrum function. It is the largest part of human brain. This slide you have to remember this. Then we see the locations. This is frontal lobe, parietal, and here it is temporal, and backside is small lobe is a occipital lobe. Okay. So some brief thinking I am going to explain you here. The frontal lobe. Frontal lobe involves when you put your fingers or head in front of your head. That means you are going to thinking. Frontal lobe thinks, thoughts you can say generated. In frontal lobe, memory, when you like to recall something, that means memory generated. Motivation from frontal lobe, when you are demotivated, motivation comes from frontal lobe. And in frontal lobe there is speech area, Broca's area, speech language by frontal lobe, memory, thinking, motivation, attention, and speech by frontal lobe. Now parietal lobe. I will give you the individual slides also. No need to think these about my writing. So parietal lobe, you can see frontal lobe, thinking, memory, motivation, attention, motor, speech area, and Broca's area. This is the function of frontal lobe. Okay. Now I will explain you in parietal lobe what you see. P for parietal, P for perceptions. Here is perceptions. Okay. Perceptions for what? Remember 2T and 2P. T, 1T temperature, touch, pressure, perception. Okay. For parietal lobe, occipital lobe responsible for vision, perceptions, everything vision. Temporal lobe located near the ear, so hearing, perceptions, hearing responsible. Remember, let's see individually. Temporal lobe, frontal lobe is for thinking, memory, motivation, attention, motor, speech area, and Broca's area. Okay. Now parietal lobe, see, touch, pressure, pain, temperature, and perception of touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. Okay, for parietal lobe. Now temporal lobe, perception of recognition of hearing. So hope it's clear. And this is occipital lobe for vision. So those who want to watch this lecture in Hindi, I will put this lecture in Hindi also. So guys, I hope about four lobes it's very much clear for you. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me. So, let's see once again. All four lobes: frontal lobe for thinking and memory, motivation, attention, speech. Parietal lobe, perception of pain, touch, pressure, okay, temperature. Occipital for vision, and temporal lobe, ear located near, perception of hearing, auditory, such. Okay, so perception and recognition of hearing. So guys, I hope it's very much clear for you. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for